Oh, that's cute. That's cute. That's cute. Oh, they're ducks. What? Only this can happen in Russia, kids. Only this can happen in Russia. Oh, that's adorable. What the hell? What? Oh god, it's pushing it. What the heck? That's so random. Oh my god. What the hell?
Молодец, тетенька.
What? What the hell? Oh my god. Invading the sheeps here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Не надо бодать мою машину.
What many random sheep? Whoa, what the hell? Don't drink on this guy. Oh, what's here? Oh. Oh, it's more ducks. It's more ducks. That is adorable as a wow.
Кир, тормози!
Oh, what?
Ёб твою мать, сука!
It's all seems to happen in Russia. Oh, you seriously take that off the back of that?
Видите, пошла. По пешеходному переходу. Ну, Маш.
Oh, what? Oh my god. The dog. The dog is real. Wow, this seems terrible. What the fuck? What the hell is this guy taking? What drugs is this guy on? Yeah, that's why you pay for mechanics. Oh, someone broke their leg. I don't see what's funny about this. What? Oh. This stuff can only happen in Russia. The most amount of this stuff happens in Russia. I am not surprised. Oh, it's because it hit this guy. Oh my god! It's fat Jesus! Oh my god! What the heck?
Пиво! 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 Пиво!
Еще один такой же собирать.
What the heck? I said, well, what? Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? What? This guy's crazy as all hell.
Год 2009.
Oh my god! You gotta be kidding me! Oh my god! Oh, he's flossing him at the same time that he's floss. Oh my god!
Да я не он сломает, сейчас порвет его.
Так ты отстань от него тогда, заебал.
Как мне надо же обогнать его, надо не отставать.
So yeah, you don't need to.
Все,
So
давай
you don't
никого,
need
да?
to. Okay, that
Все,
was
давай
pretty
топим,
awesome.
мокрый! И этот пидор топит, да? А, блин!
What the heck? This guy's like, yo, what the fuck you do to my car? Oh, is the guy gonna be running after him? Oh, I guess not. Oh god. Oh my god. What the? Only in Russia, kids. Only in Russia, kids, this happens. What the hell?
Мишки проснулись.
Oh, they're bears. Oh. Oh, so this guy's basically. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, you got across.
Мишка пугает.
Good bear. What? I don't like this side, nope. What? What? I can't read German. Russian, sorry. What? Oh my god. What? 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 Oh my god, what the hell? The hell is this? This guy's drunk. Oh, yeah, definitely they're drunk. They are definitely drunk. Oh, what? Oh god, what the hell? Oh my god, it's like the police conga line here. Jesus, that's a mass arrest. Oh god, I think I know this he was taken, like during the protest in Russia. Oh my god! Yeah. Hello.
Пьяный, что ли? А?